Hello, it's me, and it's time for an update video. Yes, it's been a while since I've done these update videos. I am at London Euston Station on the London and Western train. I'm going to be heading up to Watford Junction. I'm going to be waiting for the train to depart, and then I'll explain what is going to be happening for this channel. Let's go!
Deci cu ăsta mergem o oră și ceva?
30 de minute.
Erau desenele alea animate cu...
Yes, as I discussed before, this is just a quick update video. Just want to discuss the things that are going to be happening to the channel. I know it's been a long while since I last posted, but there's not really a lot of stuff going on, but that's not relevant to the video. But the question I want to ask you all is, are you guys sick and tired of my camera on my phone? I mean, the camera that you guys are looking on the screen right now. I don't think if I should buy another new camera just so I can just improve the quality of my videos, so I don't know. So let me know in the comments if you guys want me to buy a new camera just so I can improve the quality of my videos. The thing I want to discuss about is that will I be making a Rail 200 special to celebrate the 200 years of the railways? Well, I'm not sure, to be honest. I do have a special in mind, but motivation for me has been really low recently, and I just cannot think of the right video that I want to do the Rail 200 series. And personally, I just need to find a way to just find out, like, think of an idea on what I'm going to be doing for Rail 200. So I feel like I've got an idea I have in mind. In fact, I think I got a video about it that I think might be coming very soon. I hope. The Q&A for 1,150 subscribers. Thank you for giving me that many. It's amazing. I am absolutely astonished I actually reached this far. So, will I be doing the Q&A? Yes, I will. I'm sorry if I left it for like 2 months and a half. Motivation has been dying down recently, and I just want to think of like other videos for me to actually make. I just need to think of the right time for me to do my Q&A. The first thing I want to tell you all is because I'm going to be doing like my own YouTube story video, because I noticed that there's a lot of YouTubers that like to make their own specials about what they do whilst they actually what they do before they come to YouTube. So I thought I'm going to be making my own special just because I want to spice things up a notch. And also, one more thing, if I can do the right thing. Oh yes. So as for my other series, aside from Top of the Met is still going in the works. As for the other series that I make, it's going to be on hold until further notice. Even if I retire from doing animated content, I will still keep the videos on there for your satisfying pleasure, because I just don't want to lose them, because I just find them very nostalgic. All the things that I just said in this video are part of a huge rebrand I'm going to be working on for the channel, featuring brand new visuals. I'm also going to be featuring music, because I like doing, you know, I'm sometimes the person that likes to do like Jeff Marshall vloggy style videos. I mean, they are so much fun to film. And besides, ever since I discussed about the upgrade works of Colindale Tube Station on the Northern Line, and surprisingly, it aged like fine wine, I feel like I want to do more Jeff Marshall vloggy style videos, because they are basically my type of videos that I actually want to make. So let me know in the comments if you guys want me to continue making those types of videos. I'll see what I can do to make them happen. I said this a lot, guys, but honestly, thank you so much for the continued support for the channel. The fact that you guys are still around with me, even if I retire from doing animated content, just warms my heart a lot. I'm still grateful that you guys still enjoy what I do, despite me not being active. Throughout my time on YouTube, I never thought I would get as far as to make train videos that perform really well, especially if it's some dumb and used idea. But believe me, I really do appreciate the love and positivity you bring to the channel, as well as the train community growing by each passing time. I'm working to get better, and with this refresh of this channel, I'm going to try my best to get these videos out more frequently, and of course make as much other content as I can to keep you guys entertained throughout this year. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see some other videos that you guys want me to do, even if it's the ones that I binned, and I'll see what I can do to make them happen. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Just passing Bushy Station. I'll see you guys in the next video, but until then, from me here on the London North Western train up to Watford Junction, I'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye bye.